Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can contribute to your discussion forums in Women and Gender Studies 201 Blended. Each week you will have a discussion forum area, and so for this week we've got discussion forum number 1. If you click on the title of the discussion forum, and notice this lock, I'll show you what that means in a few seconds here, but if you click on the link discussion forum 1, it will open up the discussion forum area. Now there is a lock on each discussion forum, so at a certain date within the term, this forum will become read-only, so you have to post in a timely manner. You're expected to post your own thoughts as well as respond to other students' comments, so that's very important, and a fair amount of your participation mark rather is because of the discussion forums. So you definitely want to be coming here each week and posting in a timely manner. So the question for the discussion forum will show up, as well as if you're the first person to add to the discussion, you'll see a add a new discussion topic button. If you're not the first person to start off the discussion, you will just see what others have posted. So I'm going to add the very first post. You might have to do that as well. You have been split into smaller groups of about 10. So I'm going to click add a new discussion topic, and a box is going to pop up where you enter a subject. So I'm going to name this caring circles, just based upon what the question has asked, but you can give it any subject that you want, and then you would type your response in this I can't spell. You would type up your comments in this message box. The message box has bullets, you can number, you can bold, it's even got emotion cons, things like that. So you would type up your response. If you had wanted, you could also add a file or an attachment. And then at the very bottom, there is a post to forum button. So I'm just going to click on that. Now you have 5 minutes to edit your post, and after that it just becomes read-only. So let's say you made a spelling error and you wanted to change it. You would click on the title of your post. So I titled it Caring Circles, so I'm just going to click on that. And you will have this edit button, but only for about 5 minutes. So then you can click the edit button and change, edit your post, and then resave. Now, let's say I'm a different student and I wanted to now there's a breadcrumb trail here, and this is just general navigation. If you wanted to go back to the actual forum, not just my particular post, you would click on discussion forum 1 in the breadcrumb trail. So let's say now I'm a different student and I want to respond to this person's post. You would click on the discussion, the title. So I'm going to click on Caring Circles. And if you read what they've commented on and you want to provide your input, you would just hit the reply button. And the reply button would then open up a message box, very much like the one you saw before, and then you could reply to the message. And save and post to the forum. And so what we're looking at now is the post plus the message. So I'm just going to go back to discussion forum 1. And you can see here we've got the discussion that this test student started, but there is one reply within that discussion thread. Potentially, if your discussion veers off into something different, you can also add another discussion topic for that week. It just depends on how the discussion goes. The one thing I do also want to point out is you have been broken into smaller groups for discussion purposes, and this particular student that I am being right now is part of group E. There's groups A to E. In this drop down area here, it also is going to show you another group that you belong to, which is your site group, whether you're in Regina or Moose Jaw or another location. This site group is not going to be used for discussion purposes. Only groups A to E will be used for discussion purposes. So even though you have this option, please do not use it. It's for marking purposes. So make sure you're in the right group before you create your post. So hopefully that will help in creating your discussion forum posts. Thanks very much.